We'll guide you through how to automate Trello tasks to save time and increase your productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and navigate to the board where you want to set up automation. Click on the Automation button at the top of the board, which will open the Butler feature. Butler is Trello's built-in tool for creating automation rules, and it's super handy. Now, you'll see options for creating rules, card buttons, board buttons, and due date commands. Let's start with a simple rule. Click on Create Rule, and you'll see a series of triggers and actions. For example, you can set a trigger like when a card is moved to a specific list. Next, you choose the action you want to automate, such as add a due date or assign a member. This way, every time a card is moved to the chosen list, the action you specified will automatically happen. Don't forget to name your rule so you can easily identify it later. Now, let's explore card buttons. These are custom buttons you can add to your Trello cards to perform a series of actions with one click. Click on Create Card button, give your button a name, and select the actions you want it to perform, like moving a card to another list or adding a label. This is great for repetitive tasks you do often. Finally, don't forget about due date commands, which can automatically update cards when due dates are approaching or overdue. This is especially useful for project management and keeping track of deadlines. Play around with these features to find a setup that works best for your workflow. Automation can significantly streamline your Trello experience, making collaboration and task management smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.